Hey there, Internet! Brainy Bill from Bill Loud and Science here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a plastic bottle into a rocket ship, and I'm going to do it in just one breath. Here we go. For this demonstration, you'll need an empty 2-liter bottle, a bike pump with a needle, and a size 4 rubber stopper. Carefully poke the needle through the rubber stopper, stick the bottle on upside down, and start your countdown. You know, maybe it's a better idea to do this outside. Much better. As you pump air into the bottle, the pressure inside will build up until the air forces its way down and an equal but opposite reaction pushes the bottle high into the sky. So there you have it, a reusable rocket using just a bike pump and a 2-liter bottle. Pretty cool, right?